Hello students, this is 8.2, subtracting decimals. This is what you need to remember when you subtract the decimals is to write the numbers and line it up in the decimal points. So here is the decimal points and subtract the tens. So you always start with the smallest number, tens. If there is 100, then you start with the 100. In here, there is only 10, so 5 minus 3 is 2, so it's 2 tens. Subtract decimals with 1 decimal with regrouping. So you can also do the regrouping when you need to subtract 0.7 from 1.5. This is 1.5 and you take 0.7. So there are 7 light shaded 1, which means it's taken away. So it's not 1 anymore because it's taken 2. Yes, you can see in here. It's taken 2 to move to the 10th. So there is no 1s now. And there's only tens. If you get confused with this one, you just look at this. So it's 1.5 minus 0.7. We can just make it into 0 and this will become 1, which means 15. 15 minus 7 equals to 8, so it's 0.8. And then you try this guided practice. There's another way, subtracting decimals with 1 decimals from whole number. So step 1. Subtract the tens from here and then subtract the ones. So always start with the smallest number and then you go to the next one. You can also subtract decimals with 2 decimal places with regrouping the tens and the hundreds. So something like this. Subtract 1.06 from 2.24. So we have 2.24 in here. And then the lightly shaded one, it's 1.06 that you need to subtract. So that means from the tens will be taken to move to the hundreds, like this. This one is only the visuals. For those of you who like to count it like normal here, so this is the way. So just put it and make sure that the decimals points are in line. And then you start counting. 4 cannot be minused by 6, of course. So you borrow from the neighbor here, so it will become 1 and it will become 14. You minus it like normal, so we will get the answer, which is 1.18. And these are the guided practice. I'll see you in 8.3.